Morning, guys. It is day 2 here in NINH BINH, and we're gonna get on the Trang and boat tour where they row you around on a little boat through the rivers. So we just got some cash here at the ATM and got our ticket. Yeah, last night slept early, woke up this morning, had a good free breakfast, and just biked maybe 10 minutes out here. And we're about to go see some more of this place. So I guess here you have to pick 3 routes. I'm looking up on Google what the best one is, but so far everyone's saying 3 has the most limestone mountains and caves, or the longest cave in there. So I think that's the one I am gonna do. I just looked it up on Google. TripAdvisor said 3 is the best for photography and more scenic and less stops, so I like that. I got my ticket. 200,000 dong. $8, 200,000 dong. All right. At the rowing stick, I'm rowing the boat. Yeah, really helping out a lot. It's a lot of fish. Alright, we're here at one of the stops on the boat tour, which is this temple. It's a small temple. The lady said we have 5 minutes just to walk around on this little thing and check it out, and then we're gonna be back on the boat. Alright, I'm going in the cave now.
You need to. So low. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. I can breathe now. You can breathe, guys. Yes.
Yeah. cave. Okay, 5? 10 minutes? Okay.
Thank you.
At the next temple, and it's called Soi Tien Temple. I think our boat lady is waiting for us because we've just been taking pictures with this cool rice hat. Alright, getting back in the boat. Let's get back.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, 5? 5. I think this is the last temple. Another stop here. This place is all unreal. Everywhere you look is like a landscape. Everything is a view. I love it here. My favorite place in Vietnam right now. So far on this trip. That was a perfect ride.
Yeah.
We're back on land.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, thank you. Bye-bye. Keep in touch.
Take care.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
definitely.
watch your stories.
Yeah, sure.
I'll
Take
see you
care.
guys.
Bye.
Alright. Alright, that was the end of the tour. So nice. It was the most amazing boat ride of my life. But I didn't even know it was like a UNESCO heritage place. Couldn't believe it. It was like caves, cliffs, temples, scenic everything. Right in the ravine of all these huge mountains. I'm amazed. Like, I couldn't even, I'm speechless. I couldn't even say anything. Yeah, Vietnam has just been all surprises this whole trip. We are now going to Hoa Lu I think it's like 20-minute bike ride. They say it's the ancient city, and they said there's some amazing scenery over there. So let's go and check it out. Alright, just here cruising on the bike. So nice here in NINH BINH. You don't really need a scooter. You just take a bicycle. And that way you can take in the scenery even more, since we're going at a much slower pace. But everything is just a bike ride away still. And it's cheaper. I think it was like 40 for the day, 20 for the half day. Dude, Google Maps led me in some weird trail. I don't even know if this is the right way, but we're in just some random area. This is how a plank of wood for your bike. Let's cross this bridge and hopefully we get back on the road. So lost right now. Even though we're lost, still amazing scenery. So guys, I'm here just getting some food because I'm starving. All I ate today was breakfast. So I'm getting some lunch and then we're gonna go in there. So guys, we are here now inside the ancient city in Hoalu here in NINH BINH. And it looks like they're doing some kind of performances in the back. So let's check this place out here. They said the views are nice, so we're gonna go around. And it's cool that we can take the bike. Already inside here, the city. I guess it's kind of like a town that's in here. We're just biking around and amazing scenery throughout. So cool. We are just biking right through this place, and it is like a city within a city. Definitely like an older city, but a lot of people still live here, so it's a very local village. So we are out here just absorbing all the scenery still. This is like a really peaceful place. We are back at the hostel tonight. After 2 days in NINH BINH, I think I got the most out of everything here. So all I have to say about NINH BINH is just I have no words. Like, it's so unreal just biking out or just walking out from the hostel and you just see all these big cliffs everywhere. So it's just been an amazing place here. Tomorrow we are going to Hanoi, catching the bus. It's 2 hours away. And we'll stay there for a few days and do some city things. Can't believe how amazing NINH BINH has been, especially here in the country, which is Tam Loc and Trang, and those are like the countryside places. So it's been so nice here. Like, they really take care of tourists out here, even though this place doesn't have that many tourists from what I've seen compared to Halong Bay. I've heard they said NINH BINH was like a less touristic place, but You get the same beauty as Halong Bay, but on land. Thank you, NINH BINH. Thank you, For You Homestay, and thank you, Trang, and for this amazing experience here. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, peace.